So this is a video on installing a Alpina Typ 136 rear spoiler onto a BMW E30. The wing should fit early and late models, but you can see that this one's an early model, this one's an 85. Fitment should be pretty straightforward. It just uses 6 10mm nuts, plastic nuts, and I'm also going to use 6 fibre washers just on the outside of the car to keep the water out. And while I'm there, I'm going to replace the badge. This one's seen better days, and change out the grommets that hold the badge in as well. My car originally had an MTEC 1 wing on it, so it's got the holes already pre-drilled, but online you can find templates for the hole location. Alright, first thing to do is get the washers on, and then once the washers are on, very carefully lower the wing onto the car. Right, next step is get the nuts ready. Use a longer socket extension as well, 10mm. Alright, wings on. Time to get the roundel swapped out. Just use a plastic trim removal tool. Alright, that's the Alpina wing on. Get it out there in the sun and give it a proper look. Alright, took the car out, get in the sun. So over the last couple of days, the front spoiler, side strips, and the Alpina rear wing have gone on. It's looking good. Right, cheers.